For this video, I am going to teach you how to add image in Figma. So I'm going to show you 3 different methods on how you can do that one. So it is pretty straightforward on you how you can do this. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your desktop app on your device and then just open up any project that you are or that you want to add an image in. So for example, I have a project that I've created for this tutorial, and then what we are going to do next is to click onto this Figma drop down menu situated on the upper left corner of your screen, and then go to file. And then once you are in here, select place image, and there's also a shortcut if you want to do it this way. So it is Control Shift K or Command Shift K if you're using a MacBook. So I'm just going to click onto this one and select the photo that I want to insert right here. So now what I need to do is to simply drag it or to drop it into the frame where I want to put it. So if you drag it into that frame, or for example, if you have a frame in your Figma project, then it will automatically fill in that specific frame. And if you want to don't want to do that, so I'm just going to do this again, and instead of dropping it directly to your frame, what we are going to do is to drop it to the blank section of your project. So for example, right here, I'm just going to select this again, drop it right here. So as you can see, once I resize this one, it is not in the frame. So this is my frame. So I just zoomed out. So then I'm just going to resize it however I want. I'm just going to drop it into or drop it in or place it into my frame. So this is an option if you want to add an image into your project here. So I'm just going to resize it. There you go. And basically just do whatever you want with your image right here. So you can go for the fill also. So on the right hand side of your screen, you have here fill, then image. So you can opt to fill it if you want to. So fit. So as you can see, there is a this frame size for your frame right here, and also you can crop it if you want to. So select crop from the options that you have, and basically drag or resize the image according to this outline right here. So I'm just going to do that, place it right here, or you can also use shift if you want to do this one, or if you want to resize all of, or basically proportion your image according to the frame size. So those are your options. So that is for the first process or first step. And then what you can do next is to simply drag and drop. So I'm just going to open my file right here, drag and then drop it into the same project. So I'm just going to zoom out and then resize again, and just basically do the same thing that I have told you earlier. So you can do this also if you want to resize it. So as you can see on the left side part, it is added as a photo, not a frame. So you might need to take note of that since we are going to the photo as a frame on the third step. So again, just resize it to the frame size, or if you want to fit it, and then just basically do whatever you want again with it. So I'm just going now, or now I'm going with the third process, which is to click first into your frame right here, and then until you see this fill section again. So just need to click onto the color right here, and then the settings will appear. So then instead of going into the solid option, go ahead and select image. As you can see, we can now insert an image into your frame. So I'm going to select again the same photo that I have used earlier. So there you go. So it is now fitted or filled in automatically into the frame that I have in my project. So that's it for this video. That is how you can add an image in Figma. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.